Hello everyone, in this video you're going to write first HTML code. So guys, now let's begin. So first let me open VS Code editor. So if you don't know about VS Code editor, then I will tell you this is #1 code editor. So go and download this code editor now. The link is in the description. So guys, now let me select my folder. So click on open folder. I'm going to select this folder, HTML tutorial. So guys, now click on select folder. So after selecting the folder, so guys, after selecting the folder, we need to click on this. So now type here tut2.html. So guys, yes. So you can type tut2.html. So guys, now click on enter. So I will type here HTML. So now we're going to write first code. So first you need to write exclamation mark, then click on enter. So guys, now here you can see this code. So now I'm going to explain this code. So guys, so first here you can see doc type HTML. So this means HTML5. So we are learning right now HTML5. Here you can see HTML. So guys, from here HTML begins. Now here you can see header. So guys, here you can see this in the header. You can see title. So in the title, so guys, this is the title. So let's write here HTML tutorial HTML tutorial part 2. So guys, and guys, here's the end of header and here body start. So in the body you need to do code. So guys, I'm going to write here h1. So in our next video I'm going to explain about h1. So guys, now type here, this is tutorial part 2. So guys, now let me open this file. Now let's go to this folder, the HTML tutorials folder. Now we need to open this. Here you're gonna see HTML tutorial part 2. So guys, this is the title. We have written in HTML. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more HTML videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel and click the link in the description to get more HTML videos. So guys, click the link in the description to go to HTML playlist. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time.